everyone, I am back on YouTube again. I'm here to show you our 7-year anniversary celebration. I originally really wanted to show my face just so you guys can see me while I talk about how grateful I am. I really wanted to show my appreciation to all of you, but I look really pale. I'm still recovering from blood loss from my past 2 surgeries. So today you'll have to stick with my hands, but hopefully in the next few weeks when I look a bit better, then I can show you my face in another video. So I'm here because we're celebrating 7 years of Once More with Love. I opened my shop on November 19th in 2015, and I've been running it almost every single day since then. And it blows my mind that I've been doing this for over 7 years. The support that I've gotten from everyone has been incredible. You guys gave me the opportunity to stay home and do what I love. I love to draw, I love to create things and think up new product ideas. I can also provide a great working environment for my employees, which honestly, that is priceless. So I created this special bundle to celebrate the 7 years, and I hope you really like the theme because I think it's probably the cutest one that I've designed so far. This is a journaling card. The theme for our 7-year anniversary is claw machine. And before I go on to show everything, we are combining the anniversary sale with Black Friday, just so people aren't stressed out with so many sales. And instead of a time limited, single day event, we're just going to do a whole week-long sale so that you have time to actually shop. You can take your time. You don't have to feel stressed out at all about shopping. So let's dig in. The anniversary sale, let's see. I'm just going to start with the freebies just to get this out of the way. As usual, for November orders, you all get a cute November freebie. So this comes with every single order that's placed in November. And just for the sale week, which runs from this Friday, November 25th, to December 2nd, which is next Friday, every single order will qualify for this vinyl decal. It's a holographic vinyl decal, and it is waterproof. You can stick it on mugs or cars. Super cute. They are limited, but we've ordered quite a bit, so hopefully the quantities last. And then let's go into the anniversary box. All right, here's the anniversary bundle, and let's show you what the goodies are in here. Okay, so let's open up everything. First, I guess let's start with this. So this is the mystery ball. I know claw machines you usually get like other plushies, and these ball machines are slightly different, but I just kind of wanted to combine the idea, and I thought this was a super cute way to show. So you can just pop it open, and what do you think is inside? Ta-da! There is a little munchkin plushie. You can use this as a keychain. You can use this as an ornament. I honestly thought it would look super cute on a tree. So for me, I think I'm going to be hanging this on my Christmas tree. But yeah, a little munchkin head just for you. And that one is inside this golden ball. Next, we've got, okay, let's see. All right, so next, let's go through the kits to start with. Of course, every single package comes with one of the special journaling cards. So you can use this as a dashboard. You can laminate it, use it as a pencil board. It is super duper cute. And of course, with all our bundles now, you can choose the kit that you want. We have a vertical weekly kit, or we have the Hobonichi cousin version. So let me just show you what they look like. The colors are super pastel and cute. This is the vertical one where you have the 8 full boxes in the front. Look at the little junipers. I made sure to incorporate some of my, my best friends like Wonton a Million and Simply Gilded animals in here. And you have the functional stuff, the labels, some boxes, and then this is the washi and the date covers. So that's the vertical kit. If you choose the Hobonichi cousin kit, then this is the one that you get. So you get some Hobonichi cousin size boxes. It's just a 2-page kit with some dividers and bottom washi. So depending on which one you want, you have your option to choose between those for the kit. And then next, washi tape. This has been, like, I know people have been bugging me for a really long time about washi tape, and I've just not released any, but I am finally bringing these tapes out, and I hope you will love them. So these ones are claw machine themed. Let me just zoom in and stretch one out for you. Okay, so here's the Munchkin washi, if it will focus. It has hollow silver for the foil, and then you have all these little characters that go along the washi tape. So I think it's really pretty. It's pastel colors, like a pastel rainbow background, and ta-da! Oh man, my camera's not cooperating. But anyway, that's the washi tape. Super duper cute, and I think this is gonna go really, really well with the kit. And then next we've got this shaker keychain. So this is something totally different that I've never carried in my shop before. It's the claw machine, and these little pieces move around on the inside. So really cute idea for a keychain. It does come with a protective like a plastic cover, so just make sure you peel that cover off before you start using it, so it's nice and shiny, and it's on both sides as well. Then we have a winner pin. So I thought this would be cute because, you know, like if you succeed at grabbing an item from the claw machine, then you're a winner. So we're all winners here, and this is like a 2-prong pin, enamel pin. Next is our sticky note. This is a 3x4 sticky note. Comes with 25 pages. You can just write stuff in here. Thought it was really cute. The adhesive for the sticky note is on the right side. So nice way to just put into notebooks and stuff without it being too kind of like flimsy. And then we've got the 7-year anniversary sticker sheet. As usual with every single bundle, we have a anniversary favorites. So these are all the most popular stickers from our 7th year. Does that make sense? Is it 7 years or is it 6? Yeah, it's 7 years. So these are the most popular stickers that sold in the last year. And here, these are pretty much everything that you guys have purchased. So all of these on a deluxe sampler sheet. That's easy for like on-the-go planning, carrying around. And then we also have another special item. This is like a staple that I've been using for years. I discovered this like quite a while ago. I've been using just like the basic yellow, the plain colors, but I found out that they had these milder pastel color palettes, which are super, super pretty. So each bundle comes with one of these at random. These are basically color dot pens. So if you need to dot something, like for example, if you needed a to-do list, you can easily you can like dot, 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 and then there's your to-do list. Then you can write stuff down on the side of it. So I love these a lot. I use these all the time in my planners, and these colors are totally random. So you'll just get one random color in your bundle. These are special freebies from some of my favorite shops. This one is a waterproof vinyl decal from Hubman and Chubgirl. Pekka designed this, and it is so cute. This is waterproof again, so you can run it through the dishwasher. Then we have some plushie animals from Simply Gilded. Of course, we've got Juniper, and then another sheet with 1 in a million plushie animals. Here is a sheet from Aurastel, are her iconic planners. So that's also part of the freebie pack. And then we have a foil pack that matches the kits. So these are holographic foil to go with the kit, the anniversary kit. So you have these little shattered foil munchkins. And then Life is Short by all the stickers. Some full box covers, some header covers, and then more foiled icons, and just some foil boxes. So that's everything for the bundles, and depending on which kit you choose, the price varies. If you go for the vertical kit, the entire bundle is $60. If you choose the Hobonichi vertical kit, the entire bundle is $50. So you get the kit, you get the washi tape, you get the pin and the keychain, one of these pens at random, so random color, and you also get these freebies. So that's the anniversary bundle. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. I didn't want to go overboard with the bundle this time, so nothing is like super crazy big, but I just thought it was a really cute theme and a nice way to commemorate our 7 years anniversary. And of course, if you don't want the bundle, if you just want specific items, we are selling everything a la carte as well, so you'll be able to pick things up on its own in the shop. And for the bundle and everything a la carte, you will be able to use the sale code on everything. So you will get a 15% discount using the code 7years. It's going to apply to the entire shop. So everything in the shop will be discounted. All right, now let's move on to the rest of the new releases. These are all going to be available as part of the new releases, but I also have a couple other items that I wanted to show you. So here are the rest of the releases. I am trying really hard to not push myself too hard right now. I know I need to take time to recover and rest, so I try to limit the amount of things that I'm releasing just to not stress out my employees and myself. So this is something that I've wanted to work on for a really long time. It's called the Take Care bucket list. I know sometimes we kind of forget to take care of ourselves, so these are just some reminders like hydrate, breathe, give yourself space, create art, take care of your skin, cry it out, ask for help, enjoy a hot drink. So really cute way to remind yourself for some self-care. And to go with that, we are also finally releasing our Pipsticks collaboration. So these are also self-care themed. They are slightly different and they are foiled, larger stickers, great for journaling. So both of these will be available in the shop as well. And because Lunar New Year's is coming up pretty quickly in January, I've designed the bunny kit because next year is the year of the bunny. It's going to be, I bet Charlotte is going to love it. She loves bunnies. So this is the vertical kit for the year of the rabbit. You get some 2023 Happy New Year bunnies, just very festive, prosperous looking. Our regular functional sheets, and then this is the washi page. And here is the same kit in the Hobonichi cousin version. So 2 pages, super cute. I can't wait to celebrate Chinese New Year's or Lunar New Year with Charlotte. We're also releasing these vinyl decals. So these were freebies in the past, and they will finally be released in the shop. So this is just a stationery lover munchkin. This one I stuck on my iPad. Super cute laptop munchkin. A little rainbow star girl. And then this one is We Are All Made of Stars. And finally, we also have a restock of Mega Oops packs, which are 30 sheets and 40 sheets, and then some Christmas Oops bags as well. So these ones always go really fast, and with the 15% off anniversary Black Friday sale, these are an excellent deal. Okay, so that was all the releases, but there's one final thing that I want to show you all. We are actually doing, I don't know what to call it really. It's not really doorbusters. It's more just like a really big discount for stuff. So there are a few items that we are discounting very heavily. First is this Tinkerbell bundle. The Tinkerbell bundle comes with this washi tape. It is super pretty. It's like an ombre watercolor theme, like watercolor washi tape with doodles, and it also comes with all of these items in the kit. So you get a vinyl decal, a sticky note, some sticker seals, some foiled bows, and a vertical kit. So this entire bundle will only be just over $10 with a discount. So kind of like a doorbuster, but not really, just super heavily discounted. And next we have our Aurastelle collaboration pouches. So these ones are Saffiano leather. They have my bow design in them inside. I use mine to hold my passport. They also fit sticker sheets, which is really nice. So if you wanted to carry sticker sheets with you, these are really cute. And these ones with the discount are only $12.75. And next we have 2 sticky notes. These 2 sticky notes are both heavily discounted to about $1.50 after discounts. Then we have our Munchkin pens, also heavily discounted. These pens will be just under $3 after the discount. Here's the Suit Charm. This is quite limited. Just wanted to sell the remaining stock that we have. So these will be just over $2 after discount. And the Velcro hair stickers. So these ones keep your hair up if you're washing your face. If you're just kind of like working at home and you don't feel like tying your hair up, these ones you can just slide onto your hair. They don't damage your hair, they don't kink it. There's 2 pieces in here, and these ones will be about $1.70 after discount. So these ones are all the super heavily discounted items. They will be until quantities last, and we're hoping that, you know, once they're gone, then we can start having more space for other inventory. So that is pretty much it for the new releases. Don't forget that the sale starts on Friday, November 25th at noon Pacific time, and the code is 7 years. And because this is kind of like dipping my toes back into YouTube, I do have a giveaway that I've planned for you guys. There are 2 different planners. This is the Aurastelle Tomoe River paper planners. One of them is, I think this is A6, and this is the week size. So they are dated for 2023. If you don't have a planner system for next year yet, you can leave a comment with your favorite item from the anniversary bundle in my YouTube, and I will pick a winner at the end of the sale. So 2 planners up for grabs for winners. Otherwise, thank you so much. The last 7 years have been more than I could ever ask for. You guys have provided me with so many opportunities. I got to work with Michaels. I got to be featured by our Vancouver Board of Trade. I got to be on BuzzFeed, and I got to meet so many friends and connections that are so important in my life, and I can't imagine not having them in my life anymore. So thank you for the last 7 years, and I can't wait to create even more amazing things with you guys for the next year. All right, I'll talk to you soon. Bye.